guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a new subscription to share with you guys. So I was recently contacted by Sipsby or Sipsby, I'm not really sure which one it is, and they wanted me to review their tea subscription, so that's what I'm going to be doing for you today. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. So first of all, let me just say that their packaging is so cute, and what it is, it's a tea subscription service. So if you are a tea drinker, not just like sweet tea, but like herbal tea drinker, then you will probably love this subscription. It is $15 a month, and they send you 4 different teas to try, and you fill out this profile, like a tea profile, and you pick the kind of flavors you want, the caffeine levels, either no caffeine, a little caffeine, or a lot of caffeine. It's really personal preference, so I like that it is personalized to you, because I am 32 weeks pregnant, so I'm trying not to drink too much caffeine, and I have pretty high anxiety, so even when I'm not pregnant, I've been trying to limit my caffeine intake because it definitely helps my anxiety to limit that. I do like some caffeine, but not a lot. So anyway, that is kind of how I filled mine out. I just did some caffeine, and I like more floral, sweet flavors, but I am open to try different things. So this is a great way to try some different teas. Most local grocery stores carry all the same ones. After you try your first box, you can go in and rate your teas, so your tea profile can be updated and still say personalized to you. So they have tea bags, and they have loose leaf tea, but if you do get a loose leaf tea, they do send you a bag to brew or steep your tea in as well, so that's really nice. Let's get into the box. So here's the box again. And their website is sipsby.com. I think it's Sipsby. There is a space in between, but I'm not sure. Here's the inside of the box. And it comes with a little personalized card. It says, "Made for Lakin." That's me. And these are May teas. Here's the back of the card. So it has all the teas listed, their flavor profile, and their caffeine levels, and how to brew them. It says, "Made for Lakin. April showers bring May flowers. Lakin. Rather than giving flowers this year, though, we've included a special offer so that you can gift mom the joy of tea discovery. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Use the included card for a ready-to-give gift. Remember to share a pic of your box on Instagram to enter to win a free month. Use the hashtag SipsByBox plus tag at Sipsby in your caption. XOXO Team Sipsby." Okay, so that's what it says. And then on my list, I got the Organic Mango Moringa Tea, and that is by Miracle Tree. So let's find that one. So here's that one. And this is USDA organic, and this is mango flavored moringa organic tea. So I do use moringa powder. It is a superfood. Let's read. This one is caffeine free. Moringa is one of the world's most nutrients dense superfoods. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It can be used daily to restore dietary imbalances. And you can buy these teas on, if you don't want to get the subscription, or if you have the subscription and you find a tea that you really like but you want to get more of it, you can order the teas on their website, and they give you a discount code. This one is 33% off, and it gives you a code. And then it gives you the Instagram for Miracle Tree Tea. Okay, so the next one I got is the Kenyan Organic Green Tea. For that first one, they sent me, whoops, not just one, but 4 cups of the tea. First one, it's 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, steep for 4 to 5 minutes. And then this second one, the Kenyan organic green tea. So I do like green tea, but that's one of the first like herbal teas that I ever tried was green tea. And I like to put honey in my teas. But you can use stevia, you can use organic sugar, you can use Splenda if that's your thing. I don't really care for artificial sweeteners, but if you do, you can use those. Or you can just use nothing. So this one is an organic green tea from Kenya. Let's find that one. It's by Ajiri Tea. And again, there's four cups of that in here, or 4 bags. So, and this is green tea, and it says 100% of profits support orphan education in Kenya. This smooth green tea offers delicate notes of citrus alongside soft oceanic undertones. Enjoy this expressive green tea and its many antioxidants. For the perfect cup, pour very hot water at the brink of boiling over the tea bag and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. And you can find out more about them at ajiritea.com, and they also have the ajirifoundation.org, which I suppose is for the support of the orphan education in Kenya. Ajiri green tea has low caffeine. Ajiri comes from the Swahili word to employ. Ajiri tea creates employment for the people of Western Kenya, and all their net profits go to education for local orphans. And again, they gave their Instagram, and then they gave me a 15% off code. The next one is the, probably gonna butcher this, Rooibos chai tea by Harney and Sons. And this one has rooibos, coriander seed, fennel seed, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, and cardamom flavor. And this one is caffeine free. And that is this one. And I do like chai tea lattes from Starbucks. I don't think I've ever actually just drank chai tea by itself. I've always put it in coffee. So it'll be interesting to see what chai tea is like not in coffee. I do want to be careful though, because certain herbs can make you go into labor early. I've heard, I'm not sure, but since I am pregnant, I'm gonna have to like look up the ingredients of each tea and make sure it's safe for this late in pregnancy. I am in my 3rd trimester, and I don't want to go into early labor because of any of these herbal teas. But if you are pregnant, definitely look up the herbs and the different teas or different herbs you're taking, and make sure that they are safe for your pregnancy or whatever stage you're at in your pregnancy. I don't want to go into early labor because of the tea, but I'm just wondering about some of the ingredients of this one, but it should be fine. Okay, and chai, let's see. Rooibos chai brings together caffeine-free rooibos or redbush herbal from South Africa with sweet Indian spices, clove, cardamom, and cinnamon for a soul-satisfying cup. And again, they gave me a 15% off code if I want to buy more of this tea. And they gave me four of those as well. This one is organic jasmine green tea, so another green tea, and you only steep this one for 2 minutes. That's interesting. Organic fair trade green tea from Fujian province, China, scented with jasmine flowers. And this one is low caffeine. Organic fair trade Chinese green tea is infused with the aroma of night blooming jasmine flowers. This aromatic, uplifting floral delight any time of day. And this gives you 50% off orders $30+ with their coupon code. So that is the last one. It is loose leaf. Here's the back. has their website on the back and their Instagram. And the Sips by does give you a little sachet, like some little tea bags. These are little disposable tea bags. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tea bags to use with your loose leaf tea, and it even comes with a little bag to keep your bags in, so super cute and useful. A few little cards in the box. The first one is from Ageria Premium African Teas and Coffee. Ageria employs over 60 women in Kenya to handcraft the packaging for the tea boxes. Every box is a unique work of art. Our award-winning tea is hand-picked on small-scale farms in Kenya. 100% of the profits from the sale of Ageria tea goes back to Kenya to pay school fees for orphans in Kenya. So again, just more about that. This next one is Get the Joy of Tea Discovery, $10 tea cash, and they give you a code to order more tea. I have to use it by the end of this month if I'm going to use it. And they gave me a Sips by gift card. Or no, that is the gift card. $10 Sips by gift card that you can use yourself or give to someone else. And this one is brightsellers.com. This is a $50 gift card to discover wine you love. Take the quiz and redeem your $50 credit at brightsellers.com. Interesting. I can't really drink wine right now. I mean, I could, but I'm not. But when baby, I could order some for when baby comes, and yeah. That is my Sips by box for the month of May. I love trying different things, especially different teas, and I wouldn't say I spend $15 a month on tea, but I probably have in the past. I've been buying a lot of different like pregnancy teas and lactation supporting teas for when baby comes, because I do plan to breastfeed. So yeah, I do like herbal teas, and I think this will be a really fun way to try some different ones, and I might find some that I love. I haven't tried any of these yet, but in my next video I'll let you know how I liked this month's teas, and then if you want to see next month's, then please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And Sips by was kind enough to give me a coupon code for my subscribers if you want to get $5 off your first box. I will leave my referral link below or my coupon code below for that. And that is my box for this month. I'm sorry my nose is so red. I've been rubbing it because my allergies are going crazy right now. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Thanks again. I love you all, and Jesus loves you too. Bye. That one's pretty good. Tastes like mangoes. It's more fruity. I really like it.